So now that we have everything filled out and we feel confident in everything we've put in here, you are ready to click on this Generate Timeline button. The system is going to take just a few seconds and it's going to do all of that smart thinking to create a detailed and thorough timeline for you. I tell this to everyone. Timeline Genius is in 70 different countries. We work with hundreds and hundreds of planners just each month. And so it's always good to just remember that all events are different. And that's okay. The cool thing about Timeline Genius and what I'm about to show you is all of the tips and tricks and ways that we can make the editing aspect of your timeline so much quicker and much less tedious. So here is your timeline. And the first thing I want you to see is that the timeline title is going to be up here. You can click on it, you can make any changes. So if you made a typo or wanted to change it, you always can. And then you have the option up here to add different subheadings. So I like to add things like guest count, let's say 120. I like to add things like, let's say the sunset time is 7:55 p.m. And lastly, maybe I just want to put, my name and my phone number. There we go. And so this is how you can get set up from the very start.